So what's going on with the stock market? Well, over the last few weeks, it's been in a decline, and there are really three reasons why. Number one, the US keeps printing more money, which is causing inflation to go up. Number two, gas prices are increasing. I'm on this article here from investors.com. They actually point right to gas prices are the main reason this market is going down. The average gas price in the US at this moment, as of early October of 2023, it's at $3.94 a gallon, which is up about 30 cents from July. Then the third reason why the market is going down is the Fed Chair, Jerome Powell, has hinted at another interest rate increase to drive down inflation. We saw a lot of that happening over 2022, which put us into a bear market / recession. So check this out. This is on Y charts. They have this US inflation chart going back to October of 2022. You could see right in the middle of that recession or bear market, we're at 7.75%. But over the last year, we've been on this nice decline all the way down to 2.97% in July. That's a great place to be. You want to, with inflation, you want to kind of ride between 2 and 3%. That's a great place to be. And when you get there, like we saw, the market really started to take off. For example, we were up at one point with S&P 500 for the year, up about 16% for the year, which is outstanding. And then with the NASDAQ, we're up a little over 30%. Well, now the S&P 500 is up 10% as opposed to 16, and the NASDAQ is up about 26% as opposed to over 30. So we were looking good, and now we're starting to decline. So the big question is, what should you do? Should you sit on the sidelines and wait and be fearful? Absolutely not. This is a great time to buy. Like in 2022, that was a great time to buy. We're facing the same situation. This is probably not going to last very long. What may happen is inflation may go up a little bit. The Fed may, not saying he will, but he may increase interest rates again, which can drive down inflation. And then what can happen at that point, if you see here at this chart, 3.67%, if that drops to like 3.25% or close to 3%, get ready. That market is going to take off. So right now, if your stocks are dropping, don't freak out. This is business as usual. We want to be buying more of those shares because the market will take off again and you want to make those big returns. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like it, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about investing and manage your own investments with confidence, I welcome you to sign up for Tykr for free.